landed. I've just got a camera set up, just got the rifle in position, then it took off. It's landed on fence about 50 yards to my right. See if it comes back. Hey up everyone, I'm sat in my permanent hide. I'm watching this city tree here. I've got a false nest set out that I've made this morning just with some dead grass from hedgerow. Put a couple of chicken eggs in there, one cracked open. I'm hoping that's going to lure a couple of magpies or a crowing. I've seen magpies and crows in distance, although one crow has landed in field. When that landed, a couple of woodies landed in the city tree, so I turned my attention to them and I took one out with a heart and lung shot. I think I've got more chance on woodies today. I think magpies are busy nesting. The morning's still young, so I've got plenty of time left. Hey up everyone. Just sat watching this tree, hoping woodies are going to start dropping in shortly. I've had a couple come into it, but they were obscured by branches, so I couldn't get a shot off. I'm hoping once I've had the morning feed, they decide to rest up in these trees. I have noticed them for the last couple of weeks. There's a tree here that you can see on camera, and there's a tree to my right that they've been using. So fingers crossed, they play a game and we get a few shots off. Well, it's been a bit of a slow start, but finally things are starting to move. I've managed to bag a couple of woodies out of that tree. Unfortunately, the first one were off camera, but you should be able to see second. Now they don't move, hopefully get a few more. Hey up everyone. Sunday morning. I'm sat in my little bit of woodland. I'm watching the squirrel feeder. It's early yet. I haven't seen anything yet. There's a few things flying about. Seen a couple of buzzards. So there's plenty of activity. Just sit it out and see what turns up. That's the end of my session. I'm going to try and recover what I've shot. Had a couple of jays. One were unfortunately off camera. It caught me unawares this morning first thing. I've had a woody. I'm struggling to find that. That's one at jays. Second one is over here.